Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Eli Lilly, and if you look at this long-term chart, so if I can explain in a word, so this is a multi-bagger trend, and I hope that one should have or one who have stick to this trend indeed made lots of money over a period of years. So since the low of 1980-81 and currently it is trading at its lifetime high, so stock has given over 5400 percentage of return. So the trend is big and it is uptrending and it is strong, but looking at the return you should understand that it is a slow mover. Okay, so some companies, even so it does belongs to pharma sector, but some companies in this sector has given thousands or 100,000 percentage worth of returns. But I'm just using this in a loose manner that relatively some stocks has given lots of returns over a period of years, but when it comes to this stock you can consider it as a slow mover. So what you need to understand here is a slow mover does not means that stock will not give you returns, but over a period of time you should not consider an extraordinary returns. It will give you probably a good amount of return, but not an extraordinary amount of return which you can expect from or which you have seen in other stocks. So having said that, let's understand the trend and what should we expect out of this. So firstly, this is a long term trend, and here look at this trend. So the stock has made a breakout from its previous and big resistance of 110 odd dollars in the year 2018. It went up and it went down, retested its lows in the late 2019, and it has moved on from that level. So this is your first sort of big support now, and this is the range. Okay, so understand this. The stock went up 1996, taken consolidating in this range, went up till 2000, and since 2000 till 2009 it fallen down to 27 or at this range 28.34. So this will be your big support, and again moved on. Okay, so the length of this range is 200 or 300 odd percentage. Okay, so now with the breakout, what can we expect over a period of years, the kind of return this particular stock or script should produce? Okay, so there are two ways to do that. First, we have already calculated the length of this range. Okay, now with this breakout we can expect the same amount of target on the upside, which is around 299 percentage. So this is 200 and yes, so the next big target which you can look at will be around 438 odd dollars on the upside. So this is for multi-year and this is a multi-year target. Okay, so this what you can expect. Now there is another way to look at this trend, and let's see where does the support lies or where does the resistance of the target lies using this one. So this is your support level. You can have your 1 2 3 4 and 5 support, so we can definitely call it as a trend. Now with the kind of strong trend we have or the support line we have on the upside, and if you just make or draw a line out of this, and you can see that how synced the targets are. So when we are talking about, so here you can see how synced the targets are. So when we are talking about trend, it is just not like I'm just drawing some lines which are random in nature, but you can see how synced the targets are. So you can find out the targets which will be in between 317 to 427, which is in between the previous target which I have calculated based on the length of the previous trend, okay, previous consolidating range. So this is what you can expect over a period of years. So do not expect big, but the kind of trend this particular script has shown is indeed showing that we can see a target or a resistance which will come in between these two lines, 317 to 427 over a period of years. And when I am saying over a period of years, you can expect at least 3 to 5 years or more. If it does happen before that, then it is good. Otherwise, we can obviously calculating or considering a minimum amount number of years, and not like when the market moves irrationally or gives volatile moves either on the upside or the downside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.